Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is James, and I just wanted to share something interesting that I bounced onto today. I just wanted to download a couple of YouTube videos because of lack of internet almost at regular basis. So streaming live is usually not a thing for me. So usually I'll just get the video I want and I'll move on. But then today I thought about it. I wanted to download some things from Codevolution, and then I realized that man, the playlist is excruciatingly much. So instead of going around downloading each item here from maybe one of the playlists, for instance, I wanted to get something about React render or any of these practical React. I would have to download each one of
Hey
these
guys, my name is
playlists
Vishwas and
and
welcome
maybe
to a
look at the
brand new
playlist.
series which I have called.
Yeah, so I'll have to get a playlist one after the other, then get my YouTube download video to pop up and then have it downloaded. But instead of that, I simply quickly went to Google and then I searched for YouTube playlist downloader, and I included Linux because I'm using Linux operating system, and boom, I got this playlist DIGUI, and amazing thing happened. So this is exactly this is what it boasts of, that they do an inbuilt YouTube playlist search, which I'm going to show you exactly how it works in a few minutes. And then it allows custom selection of videos from playlist, and then you can download, even you can streamline what you want to download to just audios and just download the playlist audio files only. But if you want, you can get the MP4 and MKV depending on you. So we're going to see all these features in the next few minutes. But then, being in Linux, I had to select my installation, right? So what I want to install is playlist DL. Now I have the option of installing it directly from yeah, I have the option of installing it directly from my terminal right here. So I can just run sudo snap install playlist DL, or I can simply go to my launch software. Go to my snap software and make a search for the same thing, playlist DL, and boom, we have it right there, 4 stars. So when I click on it and then I click on install, put my password, and boom, the system has that installed in a split of seconds. Now, after the installation, and it's just a matter of opening it, right? So I simply go ahead and open it, and this is what I get. So two options. I can check for this now. It's already installed. So if I go over to my system, I can find it among my accessories, right? So if I check for playlist, I have it right there. Now, this is where the magic happened, right? So this is it, as simple as this. And all you have to do is allow it to download a couple of things that it needs to work with, like the engine settings. And it takes a couple of minutes. It's about 1.4 MB, right? And once it's done, you have a couple of things to change here. You can choose to um, to use it in dark mode or light mode. You can choose to use it in desktop or mobile view. It's your problem. It's your choice, right? So once you select any of them, that's part of the features, right? Now, the other features is that you can also keep the player running even when you shut down the operations, right? You can also disable event logger and enable YouTube ad blocker, so you don't see any ad block or any ads, right, in your video when it's playing. Okay, so that's part of the settings. Then the second part of the settings is simply a matter of everything you can find at the top right here. So if you want to open the setting again, now remember that this is something you have to pay for if you want, but it comes with at least 6 days of evaluation, and it gives you an ID that you can use to implement it. Now, this is where the fun starts. So I go back to my YouTube video channel where I wanted to get a playlist, and this is the playlist I was interested in. That is Practical React. Okay, and because I want that playlist, I simply go to this list and then I click on Practical React. And
Hey guys, my name is Vishwas.
yeah, that's from Codevolution, and I just copy the playlist link, return to the playlist DL, and paste it in there, and then ask the system to process the playlist. So when it's done processing the playlist, I get exactly the number of videos that are attached to that playlist, and that's it. Now, it's just a matter of start the play, right? Start the they play. So if you want, select all and then set download option. Now in download option, you have an opportunity to change it to either MKV or MP4. So if you want MKV, here it is. If you want MP4, and if you want to change the quality, if you want only the audio, this is where you set all that. Okay, so now once you're done with the setup and everything, add to download, and that's it. Now when you add it to download and click start, the system goes online to fetch all 14 items on download. And while they are downloading, if you are here only, you will just be seeing the details. But if you, you will just be seeing the summary. But if you want to see the full list of those videos, you can go to the menu on the right hand side and click on view playlist, in which case it will show you all the playlists and then the one that is currently downloading. Now, while that is sleek, while that is so beautiful, you can as well just go ahead to the rest of the features like playing directly on YouTube. So this automatically eliminates your, it's a YouTube video. Hey, come on. So you can go to, you just click, by clicking on home, it takes you straight to YouTube and it loads up YouTube channels and things that you might have visited in the past few minutes or a couple of times ago. And you can see, yeah, everything is there. So if you want to just go to music, this is YouTube, and I believe that downloading from here is as simple as selecting the URL you want to download and you are in. So it's as simple as that. And when I found this, it blew my mind. And here I am trying it out. As a matter of fact, I think this is the best I have seen so far. So there you have it. Yeah. Remember, if you want to download it, it's simple. See that you use your Snap. As a matter of fact, the fact that I use Linux is the only reason why I use sudo Snap. But if you want to have it in any other operating system, yes, any other operating system, you still have that. So, and to select your operating system, something different from what I have, just hit the ask for YouTube DL, in the store, and find the download link. It should be somewhere. It should be, depending on your operating system, right? You should be able to find the one that meets your operating system. So here I'm using Ubuntu, and other people who are using CentOS and Fedora, they find it also. Okay, so that's about that. Thank you very much.